This is a video of the LEA-6H GPS that just to show you what happened. See, this used to be soldered to here. It seems like the soldered came undone. So this was not due to a crash. It's just normal use. When I was flying, all of a sudden I lost GPS. So I was able to land the my tricopter where this was actually installed in, and I was trying to figure out what was wrong with it. When I took it apart, took the casing off, and discovered that this was loose. See? So therefore the GPS wasn't even working. And if I were to put this back and then plug it in, you can actually see it come on. But obviously, you know, this is so fine soldering, there's no way I could possibly do this. So this seems to be a manufacturing defect. If you can just send me a new one, a replacement, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hope you can help me out. Goodbye.